Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your dish receiver supports streaming apps. Not all models do. If it does, connect the receiver to your home Wi-Fi now using the on-screen network menu, because without internet, YouTube won't load. Once done, make sure you have a Google account ready to sign in. This personalizes recommendations and subscriptions. Also check which remote you have. Voice remote simplify search. These initial checks save time later and let you move straight to installing or accessing the YouTube app. Next, you install or open YouTube on the receiver. Navigate to the receiver's App Store or Smart Hub, then search for YouTube and select Install. This places the app on your home screen. If your dish model lacks an app store, make sure you have a compatible streaming device, Chromecast, Fire TV Stick, Roku, connected to the TV's HDMI, and set the TV to that input. Once installed, sign in with your Google account. This links subscriptions and lets you cast from your phone. Finally, you sign in and verify playback. Open YouTube, choose Sign In, and either enter credentials on the receiver or follow the on-screen code flow at YouTube. Com/activate on another device. Either method links your account. Play a video and adjust quality and settings to match your internet speed. If YouTube won't load, reboot the router and receiver, verify firmware and app updates, and confirm Wi-Fi strength. One key troubleshooting tip: power cycle devices and check for blocked ports before replacing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.